ये है यूसुफ साहब ड्रोन पायलट. इनका ड्रोन उड़ रहा है. यूसुफ वापस लेकर आओ. और करीब लाओ. ये डाउन हो गया. ऊपर उठाओ. चलो ठीक है. यूसुफ पायलट साहब हमारे. Say something about the drone flight.
Drones are very hard to drive, but when you actually get it and you like put your mind into it, you can actually drive it.
Okay, and how is it? Is it need a full training or no?
No more training.
No much training. So how you learned the drone flying?
Like my dad taught me it.
Okay, now you are perfect to flying a drone.
Yeah. I learned how to do flips, front flips and back flips.
Oh, really?
On my own.
Oh my God. Oh, Baba, how many drone you got?
What?
How many drone you got now?
One like Hawkeye, and this is one quadcopter that goes very fast. We got another big drone that costed a lot of money, but whenever it drops or something goes into a tree, there are things that keep the wings on, but the wings fall off, and the things that hold them, they even fall off.
Okay. So bring other one. Where's your drone? Other one?
Okay.
In a gross. Where's the drone one? Oh, come bring here. Back. Yeah, it is coming to us. Bring us here, there's a son. Drone pilot Yusuf. MashaAllah.